so welcome to Heidi's Home, and I thought I would do a video of what's for dinner, and I thought I would do a few days and show you what we are eating here at the Kinzer household. So we have very busy schedules, and today is Monday, and let's see, today actually you all got to see my Walmart haul and my meal plan for the week. So I thought that I would show you the meals in this video to prove that we actually are eating those meals. So you guys seen, if you've seen my meal plan, you all know that I didn't anticipate on actually having this chicken, but all of this chicken was $5 and it was on clearance, and I thought, you know what, we haven't had chicken drumsticks in a while. I shake and baked them, which is one of my husband's favorite. I don't mind it because it's been baking for about an hour. It's done now. Easy, easy, easy. I opened a can of, these are my favorite seasoned greens. Love these, absolutely love these. And over here I have baked potatoes that we're gonna load with some cheese, sour cream, chives, and butter. Salt and pepper, gonna be really good side. And that is going to be our dinner on this Monday. Happy Tuesday. Today I'm making my cabbage casserole. I've got my ground beef and my taco seasoning. And over here I have my cabbage chopped. I put some black beans. I'm gonna put this meat on top. And I'm gonna add a couple cups of salsa, put the lid on my Corningware here and slip it into a 375-degree oven for about an hour until the cabbage is cooked through, and then I'm going to cover the whole top with cheese and let it melt, and it's going to be ooey gooey delicious. It already smells so good. So if you're looking for a healthy way to have tacos, this is it. Another night for dinner, and I had some pasta and a little bit of like Velveeta cheese, some butter, a little bit of milk, and I'm melting it all together for some mac and cheese. And we are having leftover cabbage casserole from yesterday. I've already plated up Ron's, and I'm gonna give him some mac and cheese, and that is what we are going to have for supper. It is another day, and we are going to have spaghetti, in which I made just regular spaghetti noodles, but in my sauce was a lot of flavor. We actually used a pound of ground deer meat, or venison, whatever you want to call it, along with some hot Italian sausage and some mushroom spaghetti sauce. It was delish. I have to say, I think it's one of my favorite meals this week. Hello everyone. So I do apologize for this part of the video. So I filmed our supper, but for some reason the video clip messed up, but I did want to share this with you. Tonight we had chicken fajitas. You all have seen me make chicken fajitas 1,000 times. That's all that's left, by the way. That's how good it is. I wanted to share this with you guys. I have been buying peppers and onion blend from its Great Value brand. And I want to say, you know, when you're trying to save money on your groceries, this has really helped me, because sometimes I end up at the end of the week and I'm throwing out a rotten pepper that I forgot about in the refrigerator. But this way, these are frozen. They're not expensive at all. And they are very, very tasty. And I use these when I make tacos. I use these when I make steaks. I put this on the side with it. I also use it when I make steakums. I use these. So definitely keep that in mind when you're going to Walmart. Also check out their frozen vegetables, because it is a very inexpensive way to put a vegetable into your meal plan. And this is my seasoning that I use. I use the chicken taco seasoning, and I find that I like it better than the actual fajita. But they don't always have this all the time, so you will see me buy fajita seasoning. But the chicken taco is really, really delish. And then we just load our floured tortillas. We're using mission wraps tonight. We did sour cream cheese and salsa. And I hope that you find this inspirational for you guys tonight. I love fajitas, and I think that if you have one of my kids were growing up. Actually, my son graduated from college this week, my oldest, and he's got his bachelor's degree in performing arts. But anyways, I used to make fajitas all the time, and it was a great way to get some kind of vegetable and a good protein into their diet. And so that's just a little suggestion for you guys there. But check out these peppers and onion blend. It is delicious. I know we love it. I just thought I would pass that on for you guys. Have a great evening.